Pierre, say something. Pierre, say something. Say something. Pierre, smile. Come in closer. Yes. You're so cute. No. No. Oh, what? Stop. Pierre, say something. Say something, Pierre. Hi. Come here. Ow.
I found them.
Where were they?
In the bag with the...
Your new nose. Hi. Ouch. Hi. Ouch. Ouch, Pierre. Biter. Oh. Where's Sarah going, Pierre? Uh-oh. What's that? What's that? Is that a stuffed elephant? Oh, you're so cute. Pierre, do you want to go get some ice cream?
Yes.
Ice cream from Sweet Melissa's? Yes.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I like good ice cream.
I want to take one off.
Me too. Like, was it 10? Oh, good.
It's 9.
It's 9? Shit. We should go. Pierre! Let's go get some ice cream. She's coming back, Pierre. Don't be sad.